Hi.
Hello, sir. Congratulations.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
I'm very happy for you.
I want to tell you something. I don't know whether you have a foreign twin sister.
Okay.
That lady who was taking our interview looked exactly like you.
Oh, wow.
So it was like
Really?
as if talking to you.
Yesterday I told you, no, I wish you were there.
Yes. Wow. You can ask anything. Yesterday it was your day, and today also.
Yeah.
That's so good. That's so good. Okay. So, how was the experience? I mean, this is the first time you handled this interview. So,
Not even 1 minute it was.
okay.
Just about. They asked us about who is there and how are you going, how are you funding,
Hmm.
how long are you going to be there,
Mm-hmm.
and have you traveled before to which all countries?
That's it.
She asked me.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's all she asked me. And what am I doing?
Hmm.
Or what was I doing? So I told. I'm
Okay.
She asked me
retired.
also what was I doing. She asked me too, what was I doing, and the same thing, whatever.
Hmm.
वही 40 years का story.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh,
So, I mean, the question answers preparation helped.
Absolutely helped a lot.
Yes.
Honestly, it
It
helped a
allowed
lot.
us
We
to
would not.
focus.
Huh.
It allowed us to focus and told us that please give more information than they just asked. It's
Okay.
not like, when I take Viva to my students, I tell answer to the point.
Huh.
But here I got to learn that no, answer a little more than the point.
Right. Because this is the only way to interact with you and the officer. There is no explanation we did anywhere in the application. Number one. Number two, they have not seen any of your document. There is no document uploaded on DS. So there is no
Yeah.
way to know about you. How much you earn, what is your saving, what is your travel plan, who is there, simple name is there, relative, or I think nothing is there. So they must know that they are the cousin brother or something like that. So it will be a strong bond when they understand, no, they are the real tourists, they are not the people who want to go and convert the visa. So in that way we have to tell them. If we don't tell them, maybe they refuse. So at least we have a satisfaction, at least we tell them everything. And
I do not know why we had to carry those financial documents and all that, because that is very clearly written that do not give any document to the officer. And if you happen to give them, you will be disqualified for life.
okay,
ऐसा भी उधर लिखा है.
नहीं, so इसके दो बातें है ना. If they ask you to show any document, then only show. If they don't ask you, तो वो तो कुछ मांग ही नहीं रहे, सिर्फ पासपोर्ट ही तो मांग रहे हैं. तो जो मांगा है वही देना है. जो और इनफैक्ट दे आस्क यू ओनली फॉर न्यू पासपोर्ट, दे डोंट आस्क यू फॉर द ओल्ड पासपोर्ट टू. ओल्ड पासपोर्ट भी वो देख रहे हैं, चेक कर रहे हैं, एंड देन दे रिटर्न यू. Like this. So that's why we just want the document should be in the file. At least file में रहना चाहिए. आज एक और इंटरव्यू था चेन्नई एम्बेसी में. That interview goes for 1 hour. So ऐसी situations ना आए, इसीलिए we prepared for everything. फाइल वाइल सब लेके जाओ.
टूरिस्ट वीजा पे.
हाँ, और 1 घंटा उनको वेटिंग एरिया में बिठा के रखा. उसके बाद उन्होंने पर्सनल रूम में बिठा के इंटरव्यू लिया. बिकॉज कई बार उनको डाउट हो जाता है किसी किसी पे. तो
One of the positive point from our side naturally came because we don't have anybody over there. Our daughter and all are not there. We emphasize that. Both of us emphasize that. We are not going to meet anybody else except our cousin.
ओके.
वो बहुत clearly हाँ.
अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा उन्होंने कि डू यू नो एनीवन एल्स. हाँ, नाइस.
No, they didn't ask that. But we told that which all countries you have gone. So I told many times to UK because my daughter, she's a psychiatrist there and she's settled down over there. That we mentioned.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Good.
But one night, I can't believe this. We just went 1 minute and we came.
99% केसेस में ऐसे ही होता है. आउट ऑफ 100 में से 1-2 केसेस निकलता है जिसमें वैसा होता है. बट हम लोग रिस्क नहीं ले सकते.
We were told Madras is the easiest. The maximum number of positive ones come from Madras. ऐसे बोले.
हाँ.
Yes.
My
Chennai.
brother-in-law had been going, so he said Madras is the easiest.
We got many approvals from Chennai. That's true. आज का जो ये केस हुआ ये भी चेन्नई में ही हुआ. So it depends case to case.
Maybe
2 years back उसमें वो DS में गड़बड़ था.
Beyond this question, was your visa anytime refused to any country?
another question. This is academic. How is it that you get the information?
Who?
You get that information that our visa has been approved. How do you get that information?
My
That too within seconds.
my experience said that to me.
No, not this fast. Come on. There must be a software or something that you get to know.
I have God's hand on my head because I have strong instinct, and my inner heart told these things to me. This client got visa, and we can say kind of a blessing to me that my instinct said, and this got happened.
Then I like to believe you, but soon after, even before you connected, Pratiksha and Nidhi connected, Pratiksha and Hima connected. तो उनको कैसे पता फिर? उनके साथ पे भी ऐसा नहीं होता है ना?
नहीं सर, आप देखिए, आई डोंट नो यू टिल द टाइम आई हैड नॉट डिस्कस्ड एनीथिंग. जब तक तो मुझे नहीं पता था, बिकॉज ऑल द क्लाइंट्स केम, वी सी द फाइल, बट हम बात नहीं कर रहे फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटरेक्शन. हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी इतना आगे पहुंच गई है कि एटलीस्ट दिस इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट कि आप बिना मिले किसी से इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्ट करते हो, ऑन स्क्रीन मिलके भी, वर्चुअली मिलके भी इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्ट फील कर रहे हो. तो व्हेन आई कनेक्ट विद यू फर्स्ट कॉल सेकंड कॉल में, आई फील दैट कि वीजा आ जाएगा, वीजा में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है टिल द टाइम कोई गड़बड़ ना हो एट द टाइम ऑफ इंटरव्यू. बैक एंड सब सही है.
सब एग्री किया, बट मेरा वीजा अप्रूव हुआ करके उन्हें तो लड़की ने बोली, और मैं बाहर आने के पहले बाहर आने के लिए मुझे कितना टाइम लगा? अराउंड 1.5 मिनट्स लगा. मैं पानी भी नहीं पिया रास्ते पे, इतना जल्दी मैं रोड क्रॉस करके सामने आया. एंड देन यू ऑलरेडी नो, एंड ऑल थ्री ऑफ यू नो, ये आपका कुछ खुफिया कुछ कनेक्शन है. नहीं, if you don't want to say it's a professional.
नहीं, मैं बताती हूँ. When we open the application, उसमें status change हो जाता है. The visa got approved.
Okay.
So we are.
कितने साल का ये? 10 years का वीजा आएगा?
हाँ, 10 years का आएगा. आज की डेट से.
By post आएगा?
Courier से आ जाएगा 5 days में. At your home address.
Okay. और ये courier charges have we already paid?
No, courier charges you have to pay at the time of receiving the passport. पहले पे नहीं करते. 1200 रुपए.
अच्छा, to the person who is delivering.
1200 rupees.
Yeah.
No, 1200 rupees per passport.
Per passport, yes.
Because एक स्टिकर देखा, उसमें लिखा था 1200 rupees courier करके लिखा था उसमें.
1200 rupees लगेगा, yes.
But should we have to be there or can anybody else be there?
I don't think so. They deliver the passport to anyone else. वो आपको ही देंगे. आप दोनों में से किसी एक को दे सकते हैं, but you have to be there.
So the first
we
thing,
were having some travel plans.
First thing we said after we got out was this: "Arey, she looked like Nidhi only."
Okay.
The first sentence we said. A very composed lady, very shant. ऐसे.
US citizen or Asian one?
US.
No, it's not Asian.
अच्छा,
She's
US.
not Asian.
US.
But I'm not.
White lady.
Foreigner.
Foreigner ही
Same
थी.
complexion, same kind of build.
Same face.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I told Giri, just yesterday I told you, I wish you were there.
You told me.
And there she was.
In
Now
fact, we were not originally standing on her queue.
Yeah.
We were standing on somebody else's queue, but निकल गया. And उसके सामने वाला, there was one girl, exactly, I think she was on her own and she was not tutored. So she had to ask, and they had a long one question after the other. Oh, she was only answering to the point. आप इधर गया, हाँ हो गया. अब ये किया, हाँ हो गया. Not in
लेकिन उसका भी हो गया.
ऐसे टाइप में उसका भी हो गया लेकिन.
Okay,
वो
okay.
कुछ cultural ambassador type of lady थी. High
Hey, but
society.
this I believe that you have been blessed. You are a blessed person.
Thank you.
I can also do face reading.
Thank you.
No, real.
Thank
चार
you.
साल पहले मेरा फेस रीड किया था.
That's why you're here on the second screen. So nice, very nice. I actually feeling very blessed to serve you, to have you as my client, and I'm happy that we connect for the lifetime in future too. And
What other visas do you do? Schengen and all you do?
everything, sir. Once your visa received, you can share the copies. And जब US travel करने के लिए plan करेंगे तो बताइएगा. We'll arrange your tickets and everything. तो वो भी manage कर लेंगे, कोई issue नहीं है.
ठीक है.
जी.
I'm happy I took the decision to go with your organization.
Thank you so much.
Because at that time many people had responded.
Hmm.
And I think some of them were definitely cheaper than you, almost 50% cheaper than you.
Hmm.
But somehow, I don't know why I chose.
Intuition.
And that Pratishta girl was a very, very strong follower, damn good at her place in marketing. Himanshu was very efficient, especially when I was in a crisis, she did everything quickly, except for this name business, otherwise she also did a good job. I'll be writing this. Give me some time and let me
No problem.
write a big,
No.
instead of saying nice and 5-star, oh, maja nahi hai.
No problem. Anytime. You can take your time.
Yeah,
Sure.
sure.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you, Nidhi,
much.
and
Take care.
God bless.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Do it.
Bye.